Good evening, flying Singapore Airlines in my usual happy seat 11K, which is a lot of room walking in. You can even sit here and you can see the other side. Yeah, so awesome, right? Yes, but more importantly, not just 11K, did you know Lord Jesus is coming again? Harpazo, Harpazo, Harpazo. I'll see you in the sky, Lord Jesus. You promised coming again. We lift your name on high. Believe in it before it's too late. Yay. Bye-bye. Harpazo soon. I love 11K because it's incredible. Lots of space, which I can even sit over the side to enjoy the views over here. Yeah. Enjoy yourself as we head to Frankfurt. Ciao, ciao. Harpazo soon.